Log into your Make.com or a similar software account. Then click Create a New Scenario. In the first module's search bar, type in webhooks. Once you see Custom Webhook appear, go ahead and click this option. You can choose one of your pre-existing webhooks, or like me, you can create a new custom webhook. To do this, simply click Add. You can add in a custom webhook name, then click Save. Click Copy Address to Clipboard, then head into your chat management system. From here, we need to go to the webhooks area. To find your webhooks area, click the profile picture in the upper right-hand corner. Then click Webhooks. From here, go ahead and choose the action dropdown and click Send Lead Details. Then click Create Webhook. Enter in a webhook friendly name here. Select when the lead enters one of the pipeline stages in this list. Click the Pipeline Stage dropdown. Select the stage that when a lead gets added to it, this contact's information to be sent in a Slack message. For example, in my LinkedIn Book a Call pipeline, the stage in this pipeline that when a lead gets added to it, I want that information to be sent to Slack, will be the call booked stage. But you can go ahead and select the stage or stages that make sense for your specific case. From here, you can go ahead and enter the webhook URL we just copied. Then go ahead and click Send Test Data. Once you get the notification that the test data was sent successfully, go back to the scenario that you are building. Once you get the notification on this end that the data has been successfully determined, go ahead and click OK. Click Add Another Module, type in Slack, select Slack, choose the action you want to happen. In this specific scenario, I want a message to be sent in Slack when a new call is booked, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create a Message. You may need to create a connection with Slack and Make.com if you haven't already. If you need help creating this connection, you can click the Online Help button here. Once you've successfully created this connection, it's time to map the fields below. Where it says enter a channel ID or name, if you know the name, you can just simply enter it manually, or you can also select the list. If you want to know how to get a name, one easy way is to simply go into your Slack, locate the channel that you want these new messages to be sent into, right-click on this channel, go ahead and hover over copy, then go ahead and click copy name. Then head back into the scenario that we are working on. Make sure that you select enter manually, and then where it says channel ID or name, go ahead and paste the channel name that we just copied. Then in the text area, this is where you're going to craft that message that will be sent in the Slack channel. Feel free to add any of the information from the webhook into this message in order to craft that message that you want sent in that Slack channel. So for example, I want the lead first name and last name to be included. So in my specific example, I want my team to know the first and last name of the lead that booked a call. So I'm going to go ahead and click lead first name, enter a space, then go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click lead last name, but feel free to edit and add the different options here into your message in order to create a very valuable notification message inside of Slack. Once you have crafted the message that you are happy with, simply go ahead and click OK. Then from here, in order to test this scenario to make sure that it is working well, simply go ahead and click Run Once. Then head back into the webhooks setting area and go ahead and click Send Test Data again to the webhook that we're working with. Once you get the notification that the test data was sent successfully, you can go ahead and head back into the scenario. And once you see check marks by both modules, you now know that this automation is working properly. And one final check is you can simply go into that channel and make sure that a message was sent. Now I know this automation is indeed working very well because this channel has received that message that I wanted it to receive. So let's go ahead and head back into the scenario. And then if you're satisfied and ready to schedule this automation to continue running, go ahead and click the schedule option to turn it on. Make sure you click save once you're done making changes. Right now, this scenario will run immediately as the data arrives. If you wish to change the schedule, simply select this option and change to your desired schedule. Now, one last thing before you go, it's important to remember to go back into the webhooks area and make sure you go ahead and click OK on this success notification and make sure you save this webhook in this area. Now, when a lead gets moved into the call booked stage, for example, that notification will be sent to Slack. Again, I showed you one example, but this scenario that I built out can definitely be customized to your specific workflow. Thanks for watching.